Hey, what's going on today, guys? Welcome back here to TLK Outdoors. Today we're out here in Draffenville, Kentucky at Mike Miller Park to do a little bit of trout fishing. And today, guys, we're going to go ahead and go over a lost technique that I don't see around too much anymore, and that's taking mealworms and rigging it up with some power bait. But before we get into that, guys, before I show you how to rig this up, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. That way you guys are informed of any new videos that drop, and it helps get us that much closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark, guys. We're getting very close. We're over 850 now and still growing. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video and show you how to utilize this simple and easy technique. Guys, so what you're going to want to do to utilize these mealworms with power bait, basically what you're using is a classic Carolina rig. Usually it requires a swivel, but I just got a small split shot rigged up there just for very limited tying purposes. You don't need nothing too extreme, but you'll need a small barrel sinker, a size 8 or size 10 Aberdeen hook, guys. And I'm going to show you why you're going to need to use an Aberdeen hook. This is a size 8 true turn hook. All you're going to do, you're going to reach in here, and you're going to start tail first with the mealworm. You're going to rig it up onto the hook. You're going to start at the tail of the mealworm. You're going to slide this up the hook, up the shaft of the hook. You're going to take the point of that hook, stick it out the front of the legs there, slide that mealworm up the line, and you're going to grab some power bait. We're going to use the orange. Just a little bit. You're going to take that and you're going to mold it up into a ball, guys. And you're going to slide that onto the hook, just kind of mold it on there like a teardrop almost. You're going to take that mealworm, you're going to slide it right back down over the power bait like so. It makes it look like that mealworm's eating the power bait, guys. That quick, guys, we got a bite. There we go, guys. Fish on. Didn't take that long, and we got ourselves a beautiful little rainbow trout, guys. There we go, guys. That little trick, that mealworm power bait rig, it's a killer rig, guys. All right, guys, we got ourselves rigged back up there. We're just going to throw right back in the same general area. Just see how long it takes to get that next fish, guys. All right, we are getting another bite, guys. There we go. Didn't take too long after that last one. We got another one on. This one looks like it's a little bit better. Oh yeah, much better fish. There we go, guys. Just like that, we got 3 fish on. Took a little bit, but once we got it dialed in, we're catching them. So we'll go ahead and get this guy off here, get rigged back up, throw back in, see if we can't get another one. Heck yeah, guys. Go ahead and we'll just bomb this puppy back out where we got that last one. There we go. Just sit here and we'll wait for that next bite, guys. Guys, we got another bite. We got another bite, guys. We got another bite. We got him. Fish on. That did not take long at all, guys. There you go, guys. Get a little 10, 11-inch rainbow. Heck yeah, that trick, that little mealworm power bait trick, guys, it just gets the job done. If you're looking for something quick and simple, this is the way to go. We'll get this guy off here, get him hooked up onto the stringer, and see if we can't get our last one, guys. Heck yeah. You gotta find on this route, guys. This is the one that's got the green power bait with the mealworm. I'll tighten that line up, and we're going to set that hook. Hoping he didn't drop it. Oh no, he's still there. He's pulling out. Oh no! Oh, he was wrapped around the rock. We still got him, guys. We still got him. Yeah, he got us wrapped around the rock. He's just a little feller, guys, but there's number 5 right there. Heck yeah, guys. Let's go ahead and get this guy off here, and I'll get back with you. So since I have my limit, my father-in-law Jim, he's going to demonstrate here as well just how easy this rig is, guys. Because I'm going to bomb this out here for him, and we're going to get some fish on for Jim now.
I did catch 2 crappie.
Yeah, but those aren't trout. Those aren't trout. That ain't what we're targeting today. So we're just going to go ahead and set the rod down here, and we're just going to see how long it takes to get another bite here, guys.
Like now?
So as a bonus to this video, guys, we got Jim on a pretty good stock of rainbow here on NRV Baits Pink Speckled Pup. There you go, guys. Look at that. Heck yeah.
Wow.
Walked away to go put some of the gear away, guys. And just like that, Jim's rigged up, or Jim's hooked up to a trout on that power bait rig, guys. So this here goes to show you how effective this technique is, guys.
Did I bring my towel?
Anybody can utilize it. There we go. Another little guy.
Yeah.
That's all right. We'll get him situated in Jim's fish basket here. And he's lacking 3 more for his limit. We'll get him situated, guys. We'll get back with you. All right. Jim is getting another bite on the power bait, guys. I think he's got a fish on.
I think this is a little one.
Jim's got a fish on, guys, on the power bait.
He's caught in my line.
Yeah, that's all right. That's not a bad fish, Jim.
Oh, yeah.
We'll whip him over here.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely the best one of the day. There you go, guys. That mealworm power bait trick did it again.
Wow.
Got a little bit of a mess here. We'll get her untangled here real quick. Heck yeah, guys. We'll get this one undone. Jim's lacking 2 more. And that'll be 2 limits. Heck yeah. You probably got him. Jim's on another one, guys.
Whoa.
They feel bigger than they are on that rod, trust me.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, they feel bigger than they are on that rod.
Feels like a pike.
But that's why I like them ultralight setups. He's pulling you over here to the bank. No, that's actually a pretty nice fish, Jim.
Dipping that. Holy crap.
He ain't bad. Here, we'll just beach him. Just swing him around over here.
He's bigger than the other one, isn't he?
He's about the same size.
Yeah.
There you go, guys.
Shit. And I was
There you go.
I'm watching both bobbers, and I'm like, I looked at mine, and I was like, just as I looked, I saw it go up, and I was like, oh yeah.
We'll get this guy situated for Jim real quick, as soon as he stops flopping around. We'll get that guy situated, guys, and we'll get back to you.
Damn.
Heck yeah. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for us here today on TLK Outdoors. As you can see, utilizing nothing more than mealworms and some power bait. This is what you can come up with, guys. This rig is deadly. It's a lost technique, but I'm hoping you guys can utilize it to find some success for yourselves. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and comment if you haven't done so already, and hit that subscribe button, guys, down below there, so you can be informed of any future videos that drop, and help us get that much closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark, guys. We're getting oh so close to it. Hit that 1,000 subs, there's going to be a big giveaway announced. So without further ado, guys, we're going to go ahead and get out of here. But just as a reminder, I want you to always remember to stay safe, keep them lines tight, and always enjoy them great outdoors.